Sir, today you come here and see the situation. What you opinion?
I came to this Mahavidyalaya as a chancellor of the universities. On the way, I happened to see some places where unfortunate incidents of violence was there. I could interact with the victims, some of them, and also with the local people. This was a fact-finding, data-gathering period for me. I have made my own inferences from what has happened. I would like to take further action based upon an objective analysis of what I have seen, what I have heard, what I have analyzed, and what I have experienced. I can assure the people of Bengal, violence will be the first victim in this election. Violence should die a silent death. Violence will be encountered by silence in the sense those perpetrators of violence will be silenced in a permanent way under the constitution, under the law of the land. The peace-loving people of Bengal have a right to exercise their franchise, unmindful or unfearful of anybody else. This election should be resolved by the silent majority of the state and the lovers of democracy to ensure that peaceful elections will become a rule rather than an exception in Bengal. This calls for concerted efforts by all concerned. As governor, I would take the initiative to see that all stakeholders are brought together and a joint effort is made to quell this situation of violence which mars the peace and quiet of this peaceful state. Thank you.
So, any word with the Chief Minister? Any word with the Chief Minister on the law and order situation of this particular area specifically?
The Chief Minister is a constitutional colleague of the governor. What we discussed is not to be revealed outside. Certainly, whatever is expected of a governor under the constitution will be done. When I took oath of office, there are two parts to the oath. One is defending the Constitution of India. Second is serving for the well-being of the people of Bengal. I will certainly dedicate myself to the service of the people of Bengal. This will be a test case. No violence will be tolerated. And whoever has resorted to violence will be brought to book. They will be shown their place, that is behind the bars.
Sir, what action will be taken?
Pardon?
So any reports that you're going to send as the governor's the link between the center and the state, any report that you're going to send to the center?
I can only say there will be action, not an alibi for inaction. Thank you.